We have breaking news with CPI data that was just released. Yep, we have the February results, and we're going to explain how this is going to affect crypto here in the near term. So let's go screen and explore the news. All right, here we go. Inflation sets a fresh 40-year high. February CPI data rises 7.9% year over year. And remember, the CPI data does not include a lot of the everyday pain points that we are feeling right now, all right? The Bureau of Labor Statistics Consumer Price Index, the CPI, rose 7.9% in February compared to last year, making this the fastest annual jump since 1982. This broke which record? Last month's record. Yep, because last month's was 7.5% year over year. Now we're at 7.9%. And now we start talking about the Fed and raising interest rates and what it can do to the market. So now look at this. That CPI data came out and look what it did. It knocked down the price of crypto. We have XLM up on the screen right now. And let's scroll over. Yep, same thing with XRP. Now that being said, what went up though? Safe haven assets over that time. All right, I will move it over. We have gold over here. Safe haven assets went up right now. If the Fed, you know what? Let's go big screen. So now let's talk about this. Obviously, the markets are reacting. Crypto is going down as inflation goes up, and safe haven assets like gold and oil go up right now as this data has been coming out. So now what does this mean for us? We are now looking at the Fed is going to be under some heavy pressure to go with a half-point raise. Yep, a 50 basis point increase. They already said 25 is what they're going to do, but they left the door open for 50. I think the data we just saw here with 7.9% month over month record-breaking 40-year spikes in data. I think that pushes the Fed's backs up against the wall. If they drop the hammer and go 50 basis points, I could easily see a huge correction for crypto. For me, that's when I'm going to get ready to drop the hammer. But they go at 25% or 25 basis points. Is that price already put into the market? Hard to say, but I will be ready because again, if they start coming out with that 50 basis point, that'll temporarily drop the market down because that is the Fed admitting that they are behind the eight ball on inflation and it is a runaway freight train. So there you have it. Breaking news that affects your crypto. That CPI data is something we have to keep a focus on, and we have to keep a focus on that March 15th and 16th date when the Fed is having their next meeting. Stay tuned because I will be sure to cover that because as we saw, the Biden crypto executive order was really soft and gave departments out there 180 days to explore and report back. So we know that executive order is pushing things out there, but what we got to look at right now is we have to look at inflation and what the Fed is doing. The Fed right now, yep, backs against the wall, quarter 50 point. Well, we're going to have to wait 1 week and see. Now, check this out. I have a second channel. It is an adventure channel. I am launching it super soon. I just bought the vehicle. We are upgrading it right now. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to my new adventure channel coming out. And if you want to learn more about cool stellar stuff, you can always click right here. All right, everyone, take care.